Insects do not sleep in the same way that humans or other mammals do. While they may have periods of rest or inactivity, their rest patterns are quite different from sleep as we understand it. Insects, being cold-blooded creatures, have different physiological processes and behaviors compared to warm-blooded animals. They typically exhibit periods of reduced activity or quiescence, which may be considered similar to rest. During these periods, insects may find a sheltered spot, reduce their movements, and become less responsive to external stimuli. The specific rest patterns and durations can vary among insect species. Some insects have daily rest periods, while others may enter longer diapause or hibernation phases to survive adverse environmental conditions. For example, certain insects may undergo extended periods of inactivity during the winter or dry seasons to conserve energy and avoid unfavorable conditions. Additionally, insects have relatively simple nervous systems compared to vertebrates, and they lack the brain structures associated with sleep in mammals. Sleep, as seen in mammals, is characterized by distinct brainwave patterns and periods of rapid eye movement (REM) sleep. These features are not observed in insects. While insects do not experience sleep in the same way humans do, they have evolved mechanisms to rest, conserve energy, and adapt to their environment's fluctuations.